Welcome to our educational series on gross domestic product (DIPT). So accompany us as we explore a wide range of topics in this domain. Let's begin. Gross domestic product (DIPT) is a key economic indicator that measures the total value of all goods and services produced within a country's borders. It provides valuable insights into the economic performance and health of a nation. Understanding DIPT is essential for policymakers, economists, and individuals to assess the overall economic well-being and growth of a country. Key components of DIPT include consumer spending, investment, government spending, and net exports. By analyzing DIPT data, economists can track economic trends, make forecasts, and formulate effective economic policies to promote growth and stability. Calculating DIPT involves various approaches such as the production approach, income approach, and expenditure approach. Each method offers a unique perspective on the economy and helps in evaluating different aspects of economic activity. DIPT growth is a critical metric that reflects the pace of economic expansion. Sustainable DIPT growth is essential for creating jobs, increasing incomes, and improving living standards. Monitoring DIPT growth rates enables policymakers to identify areas of strength and weakness in the economy and take necessary actions to foster growth. Components of DIPT refer to the key elements that make up the gross domestic product of a country. These components include consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports. DIPT is an important indicator of a nation's economic health and overall economic output. Consumption represents the spending by households on goods and services. Investment includes business spending on capital goods, new construction, and changes in inventory. Government spending refers to the expenditure by the government on goods and services to provide public goods and services. Nominal DIPT represents the total economic output of a country without adjusting for inflation, while real DIPT adjusts for inflation, providing a more accurate measure of economic growth. Understanding the differences between nominal and real DIPT is essential for analyzing economic trends and making informed decisions about fiscal policies. DIPT calculation methods involve various approaches such as the traditional method, income approach, and expenditure approach. Each method has its own challenges and considerations. Understanding these methods is essential for analyzing a country's economic performance. DIPT per capita is a key economic indicator that measures the average economic output per person in a country. It provides valuable insights into the standard of living, economic development, and wealth distribution within a nation. Understanding DIPT per capita is essential for assessing economic well-being and making informed policy decisions. Let's advance to the next slide. DIPT growth rate is a vital economic indicator that shows the percentage increase in a country's DIPT over a specific period. It is influenced by various factors such as economic policies, consumer spending, and investment levels. The growth rate impacts job creation, inflation rates, and the standard of living. Comparing DIPT growth rates globally helps in understanding economic performance and investment opportunities. National income accounting is a method used to measure the total value of a country's economic output. It includes various indicators such as DIPT, PIN, NP, and NI, which help in analyzing the economic performance of a nation. This accounting system provides valuable insights into the economic health and productivity of a country. The DIPT deflator is an important economic indicator that measures the average change in prices of all new domestically produced final goods and services in an economy. It is used to adjust nominal DIPT figures for inflation, providing a more accurate reflection of the economy's real output. Understanding the DIPT deflator is crucial for policymakers, economists, and investors to analyze the true growth or contraction of an economy. Separate from the effects of price changes, it is a key tool in assessing the overall health of an economy and making informed decisions. DIPT, while a useful economic indicator, has limitations that must be acknowledged. It fails to account for various economic activities, environmental factors, and societal well-being measures. Understanding these limitations is crucial for a comprehensive assessment of a country's economic health. While DIPT is a crucial economic indicator, it is important to consider its impact on economic welfare beyond just the monetary value. Factors such as income distribution, social welfare programs, and environmental sustainability play a significant role in determining the overall well-being of a society. Understanding the relationship between DIPT and economic welfare is essential for policymakers to make informed decisions that benefit the entire population. In understanding the relationship between DIPT and standard of living, it is important to recognize that DIPT is a key indicator of a country's economic performance, but it does not directly measure the overall well-being of its citizens. Standard of living takes into account factors such as income distribution, access to healthcare and education, quality of infrastructure, and environmental sustainability. Improving DIPT alone may not necessarily lead to an improvement in the standard of living for all individuals within a society. DIPT data plays a vital role in assessing the economic health of a country, influencing policy decisions, and guiding investment strategies. It provides valuable insights into production, consumption, and overall economic activity. By analyzing DIPT data, stakeholders can identify trends, assess performance, and anticipate changes in the economy. However, challenges such as data accuracy and interpretation complexity must be addressed to ensure reliable analysis. When looking at the DIPT of a country, it is important to analyze the sectoral contributions. Different sectors such as agriculture, industry, and services play a crucial role in shaping the overall DIPT. Understanding these contributions can provide insights into the economic structure and performance of a nation. Each sector's performance can impact the overall DIPT growth rate and stability. Policymakers often focus on promoting sectors with high growth potential to drive economic development and sustainability. By analyzing sectoral contributions to DIPT, economists and policymakers can make informed decisions to support and enhance key sectors, leading to overall economic growth and prosperity. Consumption expenditure in DIPT refers to the total amount spent by households on goods and services within an economy. It is a crucial component of DIPT calculation as it reflects the level of consumer spending and overall economic activity. Factors such as income levels, consumer confidence, and interest rates influence consumption expenditure. The higher the consumption expenditure, the stronger the DIPT growth is likely to be. Investment in DIPT is a key driver of economic growth, encompassing various forms of spending that contribute to the overall output of a country. It is essential for creating jobs, fostering innovation, and improving living standards. A strategic approach to investment can lead to sustainable development and prosperity. Net exports in DIPT play a crucial role in determining a country's economic performance. It reflects the balance of trade and impacts the overall DIPT calculation. Understanding the concept of net exports is essential for analyzing a country's economic health. Net exports are calculated by subtracting the value of imports from the value of exports. A positive net export value indicates a trade surplus, which can boost economic growth. On the other hand, a negative net export value signifies a trade deficit, which may have adverse effects on the economy. It is important for policymakers and economists to monitor net exports closely to ensure a balanced trade relationship with other countries. By maintaining a healthy trade balance, a country can support its dipped growth and overall economic stability. Let's proceed with the next topic. Business cycles are fluctuations in economic activity that occur over time. These cycles consist of expansion, peak, recession, and trough phases. Understanding the relationship between dipped and business cycles is essential for policymakers, investors, and businesses to make informed decisions. Dip serves as a key indicator of economic health, reflecting the overall performance of a country's economy. Analyzing dip trends can provide insights into the current phase of the business cycle and help predict future economic conditions. Economic stability is crucial for the overall well-being of a country's citizens. It ensures job security, stable prices, and a favorable environment for businesses to thrive. Governments use various economic policies to maintain stability and promote sustainable growth. Policy formulation plays a significant role in shaping a country's dipped. Governments implement various policies to influence economic activities, which in turn impact the overall dipped growth. Understanding the dynamics between dipped and policy decisions is essential for policymakers and economists to make informed choices for sustainable economic development. Understanding dipped comparisons is crucial for analyzing economic performance across countries. It provides insights into the overall economic health, productivity, and standard of living. By comparing dip figures, policymakers, investors, and analysts can make informed decisions about investments, trade partnerships, and economic strategies. Adjusting dip for inflation is a method used to provide a more accurate representation of economic growth by removing the impact of changing price levels. This adjustment is essential for comparing economic performance over time and between countries. Real dipped calculations help in understanding the true standard of living and economic progress, enabling better policy decisions. Okay, let's head on to the next slide. Population growth plays a significant role in the adjustments made to gross domestic product dipped calculations. As the population of a country increases, it can have both positive and negative effects on the economy. Understanding how to account for population growth is crucial for accurately assessing a country's economic performance. Developing countries face unique challenges and opportunities in their dipped growth. While rapid economic expansion can lead to improved living standards and infrastructure development, it also brings about income inequality and political instability. Understanding the impact of dipped growth on society is crucial for sustainable development. Gross domestic product dipped in developed countries is a key indicator of their economic performance. It measures the total value of all goods and services produced within a country's borders over a specific period. Developed countries typically have higher dip per capita due to their advanced infrastructure, technology, and skilled workforce. Factors such as government policies, international trade, and innovation play crucial roles in shaping the dip of developed nations. While these countries enjoy economic stability, they also face challenges such as income inequality, environmental sustainability, and global competition. To conclude, we've reviewed major concepts in this unit. We hope this makes some of the key topics easier to understand.